Manchester United will face Brighton and Hove Albion at Old Trafford on Sunday, January 19, 2025, with kick-off scheduled for 1400 Greenwich Mean Time. Team news: Manchester United. Diogo Dalot returns from suspension after missing the midweek victory over Southampton. Luke Shaw, Johnny Evans, Victor Lindelof, and Mason Mount remain sidelined due to injuries. Marcus Rashford has been absent from the first-team squad since December 12 and continues to be linked with a move away from Old Trafford this month. Brighton and Hove Albion. Evan Ferguson is nearing a return and could be part of the travelling squad. Jack Hinchelwood and Matt Sweefer are also edging towards their comebacks. Match analysis: Manchester United secured a 3-1 victory over Southampton in their previous match, with a late hat-trick from Amad Diallo. However, the team's performance was criticised, and improvements will be necessary against a stronger Brighton side. Brighton ended an 8-game winless run with a 2-0 victory over Ipswich Town, thanks to goals from Kaoru Mitoma and Jorginho Rutter. This result should boost their confidence as they seek a third consecutive victory at Old Trafford. Predicted lineups: Manchester United 3-4-2-1 Onana, De Ligt, Maguire, Martinez, Dalot, Eriksen, Mainu, Mazraoui, Amad, Fernandes, Xerxes. Brighton 4-2-3-1 Verbruggen, Veltman, Van Hecke, Dunk, Estupinan, Balaba, Minte, O'Reilly, Rutter, Mitoma, Pedro. Prediction: given Manchester United's inconsistent home form and Brighton's recent resurgence, this match could be closely contested. A 2-1 win seems a plausible outcome.